Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the quadratic equation by method of factorization. Now the problem on the board is 9x in parentheses x plus 1 is equal to 4. In this problem, the first thing we have to examine is the left hand side, which is 9x bracket open x plus 1 bracket close. So the first step is to expand the bracket, then collect like terms, so we can have the quadratic equation using the quadratic expression, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the first thing we must achieve is to multiply what is outside the bracket with everything in the bracket, which is 9x times x plus 9x times plus 1. Alright, so 9x times x gives 9x squared plus 9x times 1 gives 9x, which is equal to the right hand side, which is 4. Collection of like terms. Let's put this into this quadratic expression. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is to say, bringing the constant term, which is c, over to the left hand side. So we have this 9x squared plus 9x minus 4 is equal to 0. When the 4 crosses over the quadratic sign, sign changes to its reciprocal sign, which is minus 4. And this is the quadratic equation on the board. So we are going to solve this using factorization method. In factorization method, the first step we must achieve is to obtain the product and the sum. The product is obtained by multiplying the coefficient of x squared by the constant term, which is minus 4. And the coefficient of x on the board is 9, constant term is minus 4. So the product is obtained. The product is obtained by multiplying A by C. And A on the board is 9, C on the board is negative 4. So we have this. We have 9 times minus 4, which gives minus 36. Now the next step is to obtain the sum. The sum is the coefficient of x on the board, which is 9x. So the sum is 9 on the board. Let's have the sum. Sum, which is plus, is equal plus 9. After obtaining the sum and the product, the next step is to think of two numbers when multiplied. It will give us the product, which is minus 36, when added together to give us the sum, which is plus 9. Therefore, the two numbers are, this part is quite technical, that is to say, it is quite logical. So what should be the two numbers when multiplied to give us minus 36, and when added together to give us plus 9. The two numbers, they are plus 12 and minus 3. Let's check. Times minus 3 is equal to the product, which is 36 minus 36. And the sum, the same number, 12 plus minus 3 is equal to 12 plus times minus gives minus 3. Therefore, we have 12 minus 3 is plus 9. So it has been verified. The two numbers are basically plus 12 and minus 3. Now the next step is to rewrite the original equation. And the original equation is 9x squared plus 9x minus 4 is equal to 0. So the next step is to substitute the two factors obtained on the board, which is plus 12 and minus 3 into the middle term. So in place of plus 9x, we are replacing plus 9x with 12x minus 3x. So doing that, we have 9x squared plus 12x minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. 9x squared, instead of writing 9x, we substituted 9x with these two values. Then we write the original equation on the board. That is exactly what we did. Now the next step is to pair the set of the equation. Now in this equation we have 9x squared plus 12x minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So the next thing to do is by pairing. By pairing this equation, basically there are four terms on the board. 9x squared plus 12x minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Let me rewrite this. 9x squared plus 12x minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So since there are four terms, 1, 2, 3, and 4 terms, let me group this. Two terms in this bracket, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So the next is to factor out what is common in this bracket, or in other terms you can see what is the highest common factor between 9x squared and 12x. So what is common among these two terms are 3x. 3x, let's bring this over to this side. We have 9x squared divided by 3x. X cancels the 10 at the index, and 3 goes into 9 into 3 times. So we are left with just 3x. So what should be written here is 3x plus. We have 12x divided by 3x. So x and x goes to work, and 3 into 12 is 4 times. So we are just left with 4. So this is 4. That is for the first bracket. Let's do the same thing to the second bracket. Minus the highest common factor between 3x and minus 4 is just 1. Therefore, let's do this. 3x divided by 1 gives 3x plus 4 divided by 1 gives 4. This is equal to 0. So at this point, you can be asking, why is the sign not negative? Because it was initially negative in this bracket. Why over here we are having positive? The reason is because minus 1 times plus 4 is minus 4. So that is why we obtain positive at this point. But if this point was negative, then we can actually see minus 1 times minus 4 is plus 4. While the original bracket was minus 4. So this way has to be positive. So that when we multiply, it will still give us the sign in the original bracket. So once you get to this stage and you observe your brackets are not the same, that is to say, either you made a mistake or your solving is not in accordance to what is supposed to be. So we have 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4. Since they are the same bracket, let's examine one of the brackets. And the bracket is 3x plus 4 equated to 0. Or you can say what is outside the bracket should also be equated to 0. Everything outside the bracket should be equated to 0. Apart from these two brackets, apart from this and this, we have other terms that are not written inside the bracket, and that are 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So let's write this. 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from the first bracket, we have 3x plus 4 is equal to 0, and 3x is equal to 0 minus 4, making 3x the subject, and 3x is equal to minus 4, dividing the two sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3, and 3. 3 cancels 3, we are left with just x, and x is equal to minus 4 over 3. Or, to the second root, we have 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Making 3x the subject first, we have 3x is equal to 0 minus 1. When the minus 1 crosses over the equation sign, it becomes plus 1. Pardon. Or 3x is equal to 1. Or dividing the two sides by the coefficient of x being 3 cancels 3, we are left with x is equal to 1 over 3. Therefore, the final result, x is either minus 4 over 3 or x is 1 over 3. Or x is 1 over 3.